Hey guys and gals, my name is Millionaire Minder and I'm starting a series about making survival houses. I may be making more than one series, but this is my first time recording, so I may be bad at this. We're going to be making this house right in front of me. We're going to be using cobblestone slabs, oak wood planks, cobblestone stairs, glass panes, a furnace and a crafting table, doors and fences. Yeah, so let's get started. We're going to use the cobblestone at first. One, skip one, skip one, skip one. See, like that. Then we're going to dig, get to our oak wood planks, like that. Get our glass panes. Looks like that so far. Okay? We're going to go 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? We're going to go around like so. So it looks like this so far. Everyone got that? Good. Like that. We're going to get furnace, crafting table. Like that. Now we're going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do 2 blocks down on this one. Okay. That. Skip this part right here. We're going to use our stone stairs. Okay? Make these walls oak wood. It's gonna be kind of like an alternating color thing going on of cobblestone and oak wood. Having it like this. We're gonna use these cobblestone stairs like that. Whoops, didn't mean that. Okay, yeah, this is good. Good, guys. Okay, get our oak wood, go along like so. Make sure not to press those things like I did earlier. Okay, yep. And we're gonna get these fences. Ta-da! Use them along those. Let's see what next. We're gonna use these cobblestone. Go along like this. Hopefully you guys are doing good. This is not very complicated house. Maybe a little bit so if you're in survival. Like since I'm flying around and stuff. We're gonna use cobblestone also for the ceiling. We're gonna leave a corner gap open right here. Corner gap. Okay? Then we're going to use these cobblestone slabs, place them along the top on the first 3 above the fences, like so. We're going to get these cobblestone wall, place them down like so. Then we're going to get these stone stairs. I'm going to be turning these stone stairs, whoops, didn't mean to do that, into a kind of like archery unit, I guess you would call it, archery unit, where you just sit here and shoot out of this little box that's right here. But since if you're standing like this, you're not going to be able to see high enough. Okay, so we're going to use these cobblestone slabs, go against this wall, onto the bottom part, and it's going to be like this. So you can shoot perfectly out of this, okay? Okay. We're going to be using oak wood to go all the way around, once again, like we've done for quite a while. Have another wall, another stripe of cobblestone. Yep, like that. Then, let me see this for a second. Okay. We're going to be using this. Oops. We're going to be getting this, using that to just go one high up. Make a little ceiling, I guess. Getting these stone stairs, adding them about here. Works well. Okay. Got that. Let's see through this thing. Messed up a bit, I think, actually. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Not doing this, I guess. Messed up a bit, sorry, guys. Stone stairs. Stone stairs like so. Cobblestone. Let's do, I think, cobble again. Yeah, cobble again. All the way to the end, right there. Like so. We're going to get our cobblestone slabs. No, sorry, wrong side. Like that. Cobblestone on the very top of that block. Kind of looks funny right now, but we're going to be getting that soon. Okay, we're going to use this as a little lift up. Like that. Oops. We're going to be going across like this. Looks good, huh? Huh? Yeah? So, this is basically the model of the house. I'm going to be decorating it right now with a couple of the things that I would say that you might want to have in your house. A little decorative. Get a couple of these things. Oh yeah, torches, and a ladder for sure. Okay, we're going to plop a little wooden door here. Make a big chest, enough to hold all your stuff, right? And a couple ladders all the way up, maybe one before the hole. Go down, add a little torch here, and a painting. Make it a 1x2 painting. And add a little bed. Now, if you think about it, who would want a creeper to be staring at you in a painting right when you wake up? That just doesn't seem right. So, you can change if you want to. I just don't have the time right now. I'll get to it later on, but who would want a creeper while they're sleeping? Just wake up and you're like, ah, crap, a creeper. Wake up like that every day. Go down. Missed a couple things. Okay, bookshelf. Like that. And I think that's it, guys. And you can use whatever style, whatever block that you want to, really. It doesn't really matter. They're kind of work all the same. I've made quite a few of these houses, as you can see. 3 of them, I guess. And I'm going to be, like, little hovering around my town. And, yeah. I'm going to probably be making more videos if this turns out good. So, just comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I don't care. Really, I just want you guys to like my videos at least, or at least watch them. Like, I don't care, but yeah, they're nice. So, I hope you have a good time and enjoy.